Hi, I'm Miao. Today I would like to introduce a product called Miao Kids. This is an English Kids interactive phonics learning and is suitable for 3 years old until 7 years old children. This uses screen equipment and interactive teaching components let children learn while playing to simulate their sense of sight, hearing and touch. It comes with 5 levels start from level 1 to level 5. This product contains 1 wonder pack and 1 set of letter cubes. This product using an app to play, and the app is free, can download from Google Play Store and also Apple Store. So now I will do a demo to show how to use it. So now I would like to do a demo. So I'm already set up. So here they got one pad and also the letter cube. And now I'm already set up, connected to my phone. So I'm also connected to my TV lah. So this is my TV. So now we can start to do a demo. So inside they got a few things. So one is the phonics game. So we press. So inside they got level 1 until level 5. So now we choose 1 to show.
3, 2, 1. Here we go. Can you find the letter capital D?
So now we put the capital D, the cube, so onto the board.
D. Well done. This is capital D. Can you find the letter small d?
And teacher now can use the small capital D, so we'll put onto the board.
D. That's awesome. This is small d. D says the.
So from here, the student they can learn the D, the capital letter D, and also the small capital letter D.
Can you find the letter capital E?
Okay, so let's say now we use 1 cube, so we put F.
F. Let's
Okay,
try
this
again.
is it was so long, so we will try again.
E. Marvelous. This is capital E. E says F, 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 F.
So now we unlock the flashcard. So just now we have saw the flashcard is it, so we already unlocked. So here they got one flashcard, so you just press. So here got many of the flashcards, so we can press 1.
Angry.
Okay, so just now we have unlocked the flashcard, so we'll show on here lah.
Fist.
So this is like a game for student to play or for them to learn lah. So we can press inside.
Can you find the letter H?
So this is just now they cite the level 1 they already learned from the capital letter H. So now in this side they can learn this is capital letter H or what. So they just put the cube, they find the H and they put onto the pad.
H. Marvelous. Huh, huh, huh.
So today the my demo is until here lah. So thank you.